ẹ bá wa jó gbogbo aráyé o ẹ bá mi yọ̀ ọgọ́rin ọdún tí mo ti ń bá bọ̀ adúpẹ́ o f'Olúwa o tí ó ṣẹ̀mí mi légbodò mo dúpẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká kọrin s'Olúwa wa s'Ẹlẹ́dùmarè.
I pray that Ebenezer Obey's life and strength will be renewed today. Yeah. And every one of us who have come to rejoice. The Bible says we should rejoice with those who rejoice. We rejoice with him. And we pray that things of joy will never depart upon him. In Jesus' name.
We continue with prayers for the family for the celebrant and the family as we invite prophets Akinade to be grateful as families.
Veteran Juju musician, Ebenezer Obey Fabiyi, marks his 81st birthday Monday, April 3, 2023. The musician shared pictures of himself on his Instagram account to commemorate the day. He wrote, "Happy 81st birthday to the Chief Commander Evangelist Dr. Ebenezer Obey, MFR. Ebenezer Obey, also known as Chief Commander, is a legendary Nigerian musician who has been performing for more than 6 decades. Born on April 3, 1942, in Idogo, Nigeria, Obey started his music career in the mid-1950s, playing in local bands in Lagos. In 1964, he formed his band, the International Brothers, which went on to become one of the most successful bands in Nigeria's music history. Obey's music is a blend of several genres, including Juju, highlife, and traditional Yoruba music. He is known for his unique style of music which combines African rhythms, catchy melodies, and socially conscious lyrics. Over the years, he has released countless albums and singles, many of which have become classics. In addition to his music career, Obey is also a respected businessman and philanthropist. He has received numerous awards and honors for his contributions to Nigerian music, including the Nigerian National Merit Award, the highest honor bestowed on a civilian in Nigeria. Despite his long and illustrious career, Obey continues to perform and record music to this day. He remains a revered figure in Nigerian music and an inspiration to aspiring musicians around the world.